Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to make a shotgun. Looks like this, and well, it's pretty simple. You don't need to do anything special. It's just a few parts, and well, let's move on. Yes, first take this part, put it, and then you take this, put this like this, and then you put this regular one dot part and like this. Oops, hold it upside down, and then you take this part, put it here, then you take this part. You see that? You see that? Yeah, you see that. I'm not stealing with you. Then you put it on like this, and then take this, and then you put it this one here. It's some kind of bayonet thing, and then you take this part and put it here. Then you got an awesome Halo shotgun in Lego. Bye bye. Have a great time. Yes, this movie is made by Star Wars Dude 2000. Have a great time, folks.